Lobo, no! Don't touch! Don't touch! They'll hurt you! Lobo! Well, thank goodness they're more afraid of you. Thank goodness. They'll peck you. Yeah, they wanted their corn. They're mad. Nothing like a mad goose or a mad duck. They're wanting corn. Dadgummit. Lobo, don't go around those. Now they're showing off a little bit. They're aggravated too. Where's our corn? Where's our corn? Doggone. Let's go back in here. They're sure pretty. Hello there, geese. How are you doing? How are you doing? You guys have got an attitude, I'll give you that. Yeah, you got an attitude.